Hello everyone. Today we are going to study leverage in the subject financial management. What the topics which we are going to study? Meaning of leverage, type of leverage, operating leverage, financial leverage, difference between operating and financial leverage, combined leverage, illustrations and exercise. First of all, we try to understand meaning of leverage. Leverage means the employment of assets or funds for which the firm pays a fixed cost or fixed return. The concept that is used to study the effects of various mix of debt and equity on the shareholders' return and risk in the capital structure of a firm is called leverage. Now, what are the types of leverage? First, operating leverage, second, financial leverage, and third is combined leverage. So, first of all, we study operating leverage. Meaning of operating leverage. Operating leverage is defined as the use of fixed operating cost to magnify a change in profit relative to given changes in sales. In a formula we can say operating leverage equal to contribution divided by operating profits or contribution divided by EBIT. Now what is EBIT? EBIT is earning before interest and tax, and contribution equal to sales minus variable cost. So we can say if we less variable cost from sales, we will get contribution, and if we less fixed cost from contribution, we will get EBIT, which is most important factor in our operating leverage formula. Degree of operating leverage. The multiplier effects resulting from the use of fixed operating cost can be measured by the degree of operating leverage. The degree of operating leverage DOL at any level of output expressed as the ratio of the percentage change in operating profits to percentage change in sales. Degree of operating leverage equal to percentage change in profit divided by percentage change in sales, or percentage change in EBIT divided by percentage change in sales. Characteristics of operating leverage. It is related to the asset side of balance sheet. It is directly related to break-even point. It is related to selling price and variable cost. It is involves business risk. Now we take financial leverage. Meaning of financial leverage: the firm ability to use fixed financial charges cost to magnify the effect of changes in earning before interest and tax on firm's earning per share. It's sometimes treated as trading on equity. Financial leverage equal to EBIT upon EBT, or EBIT upon EBIT minus PD1 minus T. What is EBIT? As we know, EBIT is earning before interest and tax. EBT, earning before tax. It means if we less interest from EBIT, then we will get EBT. PD equal to preference share dividend, and T is here tax rate. Degree of financial leverage. The degree of financial leverage can be measured in any of two ways. First, DFL equal to percentage change in EPS upon percentage change in EBIT. Second, DFL equal to percentage change in EBT divided by percentage change in EBIT. Characteristics of financial leverage. It is related to liability side of balance sheet. It is the mix of method of financing. It shows effect of changes in operating profits on earning per share due to fixed financial charges. It involves financial risk. Now we try to understand what is difference between operating and financial leverage. Objective: operating leverage magnifies the effect of change in sales volume on operating profit, and financial leverage magnifies the effect of change in EBIT on EPS. What is the relationship? Operating leverage establishes relationship between EBIT and sales, while financial leverage establishes relationship between EBIT and EPS. How to measure? Operating leverage measures a firm's ability to use fixed cost asset to magnify the operating profits, while financial leverage measures a firm's ability to use fixed cost funds to magnify the return to equity shareholders. Decision: operating leverage is concerned with investment decision, while financial leverage is concerned with financing or capital structure decision. Risk: operating leverage involves the operating risk of being unable to cover fixed operating cost, while financial leverage involves the financial risk being unable to cover fixed financial cost. And the last one relates operating leverage asset side of balance sheet, while financial leverage relates with liabilities side of balance sheet. Thus, we have seen the main difference between financial and operating leverage. Now, we study about combined or composite leverage. Meaning of composite or combined leverage: the combined leverage may be defined as the relationship between contribution and the taxable income. So we can say combined leverage equal to operating leverage into financial leverage, or the formula of operating leverage is contribution upon EBIT into the formula of financial leverage EBIT upon EBT. In nutshell, we can say how to calculate combined leverage is contribution upon EBIT. Degree of combined leverage. Degree of combined leverage measures the percentage change in earning per share due to percentage change in sales. So we can say degree of combined leverage equal to degree of operating leverage into degree of financial leverage. How we calculate degree of operating leverage? Percentage change in EBIT upon percentage change in sales. And how we calculate degree of financial leverage is percentage change in EPS upon percentage change in EBIT. Now, if we multiply the both formula, we get percentage change in EPS divided by percentage change in sales, which is formula of degree of combined leverage. Now we take some illustrations. A company has sales of rupees 15 lakh. Variable cost is 40% of sales. Fixed cost is rupees 1 lakh and 12% debenture of 7 lakh. Calculate the operating, financial and combined leverage. What has been given? Sales 15 lakh, variable cost 6 lakh because 40% of sales, fixed cost equal to 5 lakh, interest equal to 84,000, 12% of 7 lakh which is debentures. Operating leverage equal to contribution upon EBIT. So how we calculate the contribution? Sales minus variable cost. Sales is here 15 lakh minus variable cost is 6 lakh. So we get 9 lakh divided by EBIT. How to calculate EBIT? If we less fixed cost from contribution, we get EBIT. So here contribution is 9 lakh minus fixed cost is 1 lakh. So EBIT equal to 8 lakh. So operating leverage will be contribution upon EBIT 9 lakh upon 8 lakh 1.25. Now we calculate financial leverage. Formula of financial leverage equal to EBIT upon EBT. EBIT is here 8 lakh and EBT, if we less interest portion from EBIT, then we will get EBT. So here EBIT equal to 8 lakh and interest is 84,000. 8 lakh minus 84,000, that is equal to 7 lakh 16,000. So financial leverage will be 8 lakh divided by 7 lakh 16,000 equal to 1.12. Now we calculate operating leverage. It is very easy. Multiply operating leverage by financial leverage. You can directly multiply 1.125 into 1.12, or you can apply formula of operating leverage and financial leverage. The final answer will be 1.25. So we take one more exercise. Calculate the degree of operating leverage, degree of financial leverage and degree of combined leverage for the following firms and interpret the results. Output units हैं PQR, 3 firms we have here. Outputs in firm P 2,50,000, Q 1,25,000 and R 7,50,000. Fixed cost 5 lakh, 2,50,000 and 10 lakh respectively. Per unit variable cost in the firm P 5 rupees, in the firm Q 2 rupees and 7.5 rupees in firm Q. Unit selling price 7.5 rupees in firm P, 7 rupees in Q and 10 rupees in R. Interest expenses 75,000 rupees in firm P, 25,000 rupees in Q and 0 in R. The following data relates to RT Limited. Earning before interest and tax EBIT 10,000. Fixed cost 20 lakh. Earning before tax EBT 8 lakh. Required calculate combined leverage. One more question for your exercise. X Limited details are as under: sells at 100 rupees per unit, 24 lakh. Variable cost 50% of fixed cost 10 lakh. It has borrowed 10 lakh at 10% per annum and its equity share capital is 10 lakh rupees, 100 each. The company is in a tax bracket of 50%. Calculate operating leverage, financial leverage, combined leverage, return on equity. If the sales increase by 6 lakh, what will the new EBIT? So please do these exercise and give your response to me. Thank you very much.